Hi my dear beloved learners, today I am going to start with polynomial chapter 2 exercise 2a. Exercise 2a. You can search in your book page number 38. What is question number 1? You can see find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial. You have to find. Zeros means find the value of the variable. You can see in your textbook x square minus 2x minus 3. This is the given to your question. So for this you have to find the value of x. Variable is here x, here also x. So how to find the value of variable x? So I mean this one you have to do factorize. So before factorize you have to know the rule of factorization. Rule of factorization. So what are the rule of factorization? I am giving number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Serial wise I am giving. So number 1 is called common method. Common method. Number 2 we call by applying identities. By applying identities. If identities can't apply, you have to go by splitting middle term. Splitting the middle term. If this one also can't, you have to go by using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. If this one also you can't, you have to go by squaring method. So this one and this one we'll discuss on chapter number 4. So before we start this one, you have to know this one and this one, number 1, 2, 3. So this number 1, 2, 3 is important for you. So you see here, common method you can't apply this one. Why? Because if you take in between these two common only x, but there is no common. So you can't apply common method, you have to go by apply identity. Identity also you see here. What are the identity? A plus b square, a square minus b square, a minus b square, you know from class 7, 8, 9. So these are the identities. You see here, can we apply this identity? No, because you see here, a square is there but b square you cannot form b square. So you have to go by splitting the middle term. How to find the splitting the middle term? So before I give the splitting the middle term, you have to know the quadratic equation, because last video already I discussed the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. Why it is quadratic? Because degree is 2. Here one more interesting thing is that if degree is 2, then you will find the number of zeros will get 2. I mean if degree 2 means number of zeros also 2. I hope you understand. If degree 2 means the x value, how many value will get? 2 value. So now here the question is that how to split the middle term. So the splitting the middle term you will find like this, a into c. I mean a means coefficient of x square. Before x square is called a, coefficient, and c means constant number. Constant is c. A into c, ac. So after ac you will find, then you will take the factors of ac. From factors you will plus, either plus or minus, you will get the middle number. Will get the middle term. I hope you understand. If you will explain this one will more understand. You see here, what is a? A value is how much given here? A means nothing, means 1. So 1 into c, how much here? 3. So 1 into 3, how much here? 3. So you take the factors of 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3, and 3 minus 1, how much? 2. I hope you understand. You see here, here is middle number, how much? 2. So 3 minus 1 you will get 2. If here is 4, then you will write 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So after multiply these two factors you will get 2, either plus or minus, you will get the middle number. So middle number is 2, so you will take this one. That's why I make circle this one. So you write answer. This is the given polynomial. So what will take? This one will take the polynomial. You give the name of the polynomial. Let px is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. For zeros of polynomial, px should be 0, you know, from class 9. For zeros of polynomial, px should be 0. Also, I'll show when I'll get the value of x. If you apply the value of x, you will get 0. Okay, let's start this one. What is the px? This is the px value. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here nothing means 1. Just now I show here 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 1, you will get 2. So instead of 2, you will write 3 minus 1. This is called split. Split means expand. You will see here expand like this. So instead of 2, you will write 3 minus 1. So then after that, you will remove the bracket. We will apply the BOSE rule. Minus into minus plus. Then after that, you will take the common. You see here common method you can apply now. But before we can't apply common method. Now we can apply the common method. In between these two, what common? X minus 3. Here no common means 1, nothing means 1. You see here x 2 times. Here 1 x taken, then how many x remain? 1 more. Here no more x, only 3. In between these two years here, nothing means 1 common. You see here, if you multiply this one, x into x square, x into 3, 3x. If you multiply 1 into x, 1x, 1 into 3, 3. So if you multiply or whole this, I mean if you simplify this one, you will get this value. So again you see the common in between these two. You can remove this way also. Then what is common? X minus 3, here also x minus 3. If I take the common x minus 3, then if I remove this one, what remain here? X plus 1 only remain. So you will write x plus 1. You can take this way also. This way. I'll show one more. So then here how many factors? 2 factors. One is x minus 3, another is what? X plus 1. So I mean if 2 factors like x and y means x into y. Last video I discussed what do you mean by factors. Factors means the multiple of the number is called factors. X, y means x into y. So there are 2 factors. So here also 2 factors. Here into multiply. You see here x minus 3 multiply with x plus 1. So these 2 factors 0. These 2 factors, suppose here x, y 0 means you can write x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. So either you can write x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So if you carry like term that side, minus carry will become plus 3. Here also plus 1 will carry minus 1. So therefore the 2 zeros are, one is 3, another is minus 1. So this is your final answer. You see here how many zeros? 2 zeros. One is 3, another is minus 1. If this value you will apply here, then px will get 0. For your mental satisfaction, okay, I'll do here. This is not important for you, but I am doing for your mental satisfaction. Why I write here px equal to 0? You see here px given how much? X square minus 2x minus 3. So px value either you apply 3 or minus 1. So you will get 0. Let's start with 3 or minus 1. It's up to you. So okay, let me start with 3. Instead of x I write 3. You see what will happen? 3 instead of x we write 3. So 2 into 3 minus 3. So 3 square 9. 2 3 the 6 minus 3. So then here 9 minus 6 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. You see here this value how much you got? 0. That's why is called for zeros of polynomial px should be 0. I hope you understand this one. Okay, next we will move on the next page. Next question, Roman 2. What has given to your question? With same page number Roman 2. Page number Roman 2, 49x square minus 64. So start with, this is the polynomial given. So you write let px equal to 49x square minus 64. So for zeros of polynomial, just now we learned px equal to 0. So what is the px value? 49x square minus 64 is equal to 0. So now we will apply the factorization rule. Just now I have given on the previous page. What are the factorization rule? Number 1 is called common method. Number 2 is called by applying identities. Number 3 is splitting the middle term by using quadratic formula, by squaring method. You see here common is there in between these two? No common. So applying identity means these are the identities like a plus b square, a minus b square, a square minus b square. So you see here, we know from class 7, 8, 9, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Whether we make a or b square or not, we will search. You see here, 49 means how much square? You know, 7x square. 64 means how much square? 8 square. 8 2 times, 8 into 8, 64. Because you see here, 7x into 7x, you see here, 7x square. 8 into 8, 8 2 times 8 square. So how much here? 64. We can write this way. So this is a, this is b. So instead of a you write 7x, instead of b you write 8. So I mean this is whole become a and this is become b. So you see here, a square minus b square, we apply this identity. So what is the identity of this? A plus b, a minus b. I hope you understand. So this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. You see here, this is a plus b, a minus b. So now here you see how many factors? 2 factors form. So this is become 1 factor and this is become another factor. So you write either 7x plus 8 equal to 0 or 7x minus 8 equal to 0. So this one will carry like term one side, plus carry minus. So then minus 8 by 7. So multiply, carry, divide. Here also same procedure will apply. So x equal to 8 by 7. So therefore the zeros are minus 8 by 7 and 8 by 7. So how many value you got? 2 value, degree 2. That's why I already say that if degree is 2, number of zeros also 2. I hope you understand. So now we'll move next question. This one also you can do verify. If this value you write instead of x, then ultimately px value will get 0. So okay, anyhow we'll move the Roman 3 question. 3x square minus 4 minus 4x. So you take this is px, let px is equal to 3x square minus 4 minus 4x. You see here, this polynomial is in standard form? No. We know from the standard form of the polynomial. What is the standard form of the polynomial? On last video already I have given a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus next will n minus 2 x power n minus 2 dot 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 dot. These are already I have given on last video. You see here, power is here n, then next is what? N minus 1, next n minus 2. Power is decreasing. So if power is decreasing means the given polynomial will be standard form. Simply you can say the standard form of the polynomial is that the descending order of their degree of the polynomial is called standard form. Again I will repeat, the descending order, descending means from big to small power. So descending order of the polynomial will be the standard form. So you write here, you see here, x power how much here? 2. Here nothing means x power 0, but here how much here? 1. You see here nothing means 1. So after 2 here 0, here 1. So it is not standard form. So you have to write in standard form. Okay, let me first write px should be 0, because you know from zeros of polynomial. So px means how much? 3x square minus 4 minus 4x is equal to 0. So next page will continue. Next page will continue. 3x square minus, just now I got 3x square minus 4x equal to 0. So this one will write in standard form 3x. After x square, then you write this one, then this one. You see here, power how much? 2. Power how much here? 1. Here nothing means x power 0. I can show here also like this, x power 0. You see here, 3x square minus 4x power 1 minus 4. Any number power 0 how much? 1. So you see 4. So this one and this one, ultimate their value will get same. So that's why this is called standard form of the polynomial. You know from class 7, 8. Okay, again I'll repeat. So now for this we have to factorize. So before factorize, you have to write the given question in standard form. So how to write in standard form? The descending order of their exponential form. I mean descending power of the variable. I hope you understand. So now you have to factorize. So factorize, how you will do? I show just now. A into C. A means how much here? 3. C means 4. So 3, 4, how much? 12. So you take the factors of 12. So you can take this way. This is the way of factors. So 2 into 3 into 1. So equal to 12. From this factor we will get the middle number after applying plus or minus. So you see here middle number how much here? 4. So you have to find that kind of numbers. That middle number will get how much? 4. So suppose here if I take this one and this one. So 2, 3, how much? 6. 6 into 2, how much? 12. So 2 into 6 also 12. You can take this way also. 2 into this one already have written. Then 3 into 4 also 12. 4 into 3 also 12. Then also you can write 12 into 1 also 12. 1 into 12 also 12. Now you can ask me why we are not taking the rest number except this one. We are not taking the rest numbers. I mean, why you are not taking this one? So this number we cannot take because we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number, but we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So that's why we can't take this one. So I mean, a smaller number, if the first number is smaller, for that one will not take. So the subtract always from the bigger number. For that number only will take. So this number will not take. So this number we can take. This number we can take, but this number will not take. So in between this or you can say this number. So which one will take? You see here 6 into 2 12, and if we apply here plus, then how much? 6 plus 2 8. So 8 is not there. So you will apply minus. 6 minus 2 is equal to how much? 4. So instead of 4 you will write, instead of 4 I mean you will have to split 4. 4 means you will write 6 minus 2. The rest become as it is. You see again I'll repeat this one. 6 into 2 12 and 6 minus 2 4. If I do plus, 6 plus 2 become 8. So we can't apply this one. We have to apply this circle one, because according to the middle number is 4. If here is 8, then you will apply this one, 6 plus 2. Suppose here is 13. Suppose in case in your question has given here 13. So which one will apply? This one. 12 into 1 12. 12 plus 1 13. Suppose here 11. Then you say here 12 minus 1 become 11. So just I am giving the trick. So which number will take? You have to make clear about this one. So what number will take and what number will not take. I hope you understand. If you not understand, you can comment me on my video. Then I will explain again nicely. So then after that what we'll do, you have to remove the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus into minus plus. So now we'll take the common in between these two. What is the common? 3 to the 6. So 3x common. So 3 to the 6. Here again what common here in between these two? 2 common, because 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4. So this one becomes 0. So again you see this one and this one common. If you remove this one, this part, x minus 2, then you see here again I'll repeat, look at the x minus 2. Then what remain here? 3x plus 2. I hope you understand. So then you see here how many factors? There are 2 factors. This is first factor and this is second factor. So you will write here either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So now we'll borrow this side, minus will that side become plus. Here also same procedure will apply, plus carry minus. So then x equal to minus 2 by 3. So therefore the zeros are 1 is 2, another is minus 2 by 3. I hope you understand. The last one more question, Roman 4, for question number 1. Given 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So you take, let px is equal to 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So therefore for zeros of polynomial px should be 0. So this implies px value you will apply here. 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So we will continue on the next page. Continue on the next page. 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is root 3. So you see here, you can't apply common method, you can't apply identity, so you have to apply the third rule. Third rule is called what? Splitting the middle term. So a into c, this is a and this is c. So a into c will multiply. A means 4 root 3 multiply with c means 2 root 3. So you now will multiply 4 to the 8 root 3 into root 3 square. Square root cancel, you know from class 9. So then 8 3 how much? 24. From this one we'll take the factors 2 12 2 6 2 3 3 1. So these are the factors. From these factors we will get the middle term. So what are the factors? These are the factors. So if you multiply this one 24, so from this one will get middle number how much here? 5. So you have to find the 5. Just you have to arrange. So this one will arrange one side 8 and this one I'll keep 1 place 3. 8 into 3 24. If I do subtract, you see 8 minus 3 how much here? 5. If I do plus, then how much here? 11. Suppose you can take, okay, we will not take this one. Suppose we'll take this one. Suppose I'll take here 12 into 2 how much? 24 and 12 plus 2 how much? 14. 12 minus 2 how much? 10. So why you are not taking this one? Because according to the middle number is 5, so we can't take this value. So we can't take this value, so we have to take only this one. I hope you understand. Look here, 8 into 3 24, 8 minus 3 5. So it depends on the middle number. So which one we have to take? So instead of 5 you write what? Split. This split means expand. Instead of 5 you write 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, the rest become as it is. So then after that we will remove the bracket, we apply the Bodmas rule. So then after that we will apply the common method in between these two. What is the common in between these two? 4 root 3. 4 to the 8. Root 3 is here but root 3 is not there. So you cannot take root 3 common. So only x, because he has 2 times x, here only 1 time. So at least 1 x you can take. So here remain what? Root 3x plus here 4. Out of 8, 4 I have taken. Then how much remain here? 2. So here minus common. Then here 3. 3 means here root 3 common. So root 3 plus 2. Oh here sorry x. Then equal to 0. Yeah, this one is x. Okay. Root 3 x plus 2. Why I write here in 3 means root 3 and root 3. Just now I show here. Look, see, you see here. Just now I show here. 3 means, you see here, 3 means root 3 square. Root 3 square means how many root 3? Twice root 3. Suppose, let me one more example. Suppose here is 1 x. If you divide this one, so how many portion? Half plus half. So half plus half means 1. Same way here, root 3 means how many half? Root 3 and root 3. So I mean root 3 and root 3, how much you got? Square root cancel how much? 3. So I mean 3 we can write 2 times of root 3. 2 times of root 3. So if out of root 2 root 3, if 1 we are taking common, then 1 more remain here. So that's why I written here. If you multiply, you see here, root 3 into root 3 become how much? 3. Just now I show here this one. So then here remain only root 3 common, then only remain 2. So again you see this one and this one common. When you are doing this kind of question, if this one and this one common, then automatically we will know that your question answer is going on right track. I hope you understand. Then this one and this one common. So root 3x plus 2. Then this one after taking common, then what remain here? You can see, you can observe this one. Then these two factors become 0. So we will write either root 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. So then this one will carry that side, because like term carry one side. Then x equal to minus 2 by root 3. Same procedure will apply here also. Root 3 x equal to root 3 divided by 4. So therefore the zeros are minus 2 by root 3 and root 3 by 4. If this value will apply here in px, the px value will get 0. I hope you understand. So after watching this video, if you confuse anywhere, you are free to fill comments me, but for the subscribe and share, it's up to you. We'll meet you on the next video, and thank you for watching my video.